is it that she wants in a guy? How can I make her obsessed with me like I am with her? Does she even find me attractive? But what do women want in men? Does this drive her wild? If only I knew what she was thinking. If only there was a brother or a friend that could tell me these things.
Okay, we get it, Jose. We're talking about you.
You're damn right I'm talking about me. I'm your friend. Because I'm going to tell you the daily habits you need to do daily. Kind of obvious, Jose. You need to do every single day to make women obsess over you, especially your crush. Now, if you're a rational male, you're going to want to stick with me throughout this whole video, because I promise you, you do any of these, you're going to drive her wild. Let's go. Number 1, lounging in gray sweats. These are the yoga pants equivalent on men. You know how when you see your crush in yoga pants, you probably can't even stand up? Well, the same thing happens when you are wearing gray sweats around your crush. I don't know what it is. Actually, I do know. It's the printing. Women love seeing dudes in gray sweats. The printing plus the athletic vibe, you're irresistible. Number 2, a well-groomed man everywhere. Because you see, a haircut, every dude gets that. 99% of dudes gets that because they know this is what everybody sees. But a man that gets a haircut on all his body, you know what I mean? That type of man, he's irresistible. Because we're talking maybe 5% of dudes do this, when there's been studies that shown, there's been questionnaires put out there saying that 68% of women want a man that manscapes, a man that takes care of himself. Now, you know what's coming. It's my Manscaped pitch, but it's a little bit different this time. And I became part owner of Manscaped. Yes, thank you. You heard that right. I've been pitching Manscaped so much that it only seemed rational. Like this is how much I believe in this brand. This is how much you need to understand. Like, I have never aligned myself to a brand sponsor before. It's never happened. You know, I love the brands, everything, but rarely ever do you find a brand that you just love how it's being run. Your friendship with the ownership is like a bond. Moreover, you believe in the message. You believe men need to be manscaping. Now, the beautiful part is that I looked. There is no other brand that's catering to us dudes. That's what really stuck out to me. Like, in every other industry, there's like 30 competitors. But in the manscaping realm, there's no other brand that actually cares. That guys need a groom down there. Nobody cared until Manscaped came in, and that, to me, I loved it. So yes, boys, I became part owner of Manscaped. I own part of Manscaped, and that's just how much I believe in the brand. So now, when I'm telling you to Manscaped, it's because I really, really believe it. Like, not only do I do it every day, I'm part of the ownership, because that's how much I want to spread this word to you guys. Once you start manscaping and taking care of all of your body hair, you're going to get this confidence from within. And I know it because I do it myself, that it's unlike anything else. This is what gives you your competitive advantage on like every other guy out there. And this is what when women see that, they're gonna find you irresistible because you took that extra step. You put in the effort that others don't, and that makes women obsess over. Now, if you guys have never manscaped before, I'm telling you now, it's gonna be an experience unlike anything else. You don't believe me? Go ahead and click that link down below. Right now, we're offering a special discount. The special discount's gonna include the perfect package. Now, it's named the perfect package for a reason. This package is perfect for dudes. It has everything you're gonna need for manscaping. It comes with the Lawnmower 2.0, the best trimmer when it comes to shaving your balls, I guarantee you. You're gonna get a bunch of other grooming products like a body wash, a ball powder, ball moisturizer, a ball spray, a straight edge razor, and then on top of all that, so the package itself is already affordably priced. But just to sweeten the offer a little bit, we're gonna take 20% off of that, which is gonna make it ridiculously affordable. And then on top of that, we're gonna gift you a pair of boxers, which is a $20 gift, and our DOP kit, which is a $40 gift. We're gonna send you $60 completely free. And then if that's not good enough, boys, we're gonna give you free shipping. In other words, this is the video where you should take action now, boys, to start the year off right. It's the beginning of a decade. Start it with a habit that's gonna make you irresistible. If you guys click the link down below and use my code TMF, you're gonna get that special deal. Number 3, offering your shirt or jacket to her. There is nothing more irresistible to a woman than wearing a guy's shirt. It looks sexy on our part, but also them, they feel like you're constantly hugging them. Like they're gonna feel like you're always on them. And if it smells like you, and if you listen to my advice and you actually wear cologne, a signature perfume, she's gonna be infatuated with it. Literally, she's gonna obsess over you. On top of offering your jacket to a woman is just like a sign of chivalry that I guarantee you no man is doing nowadays, that if you do it, it's gonna set you apart. I promise you. Which rolls us on to number 4, hugging her tight from behind. This is a move women desire. Whether you're in public, she's washing dishes, she just has your back towards you. She doesn't expect it. When you come behind her and you just hug her tight, you show her how much you love her, obsesses women. That drives her wild. Number 5, looking at her. You see how I'm looking at you? Like I'm actually looking at you? That's what you gotta do with women. You gotta look into her. Don't look at her breast or her ass, or any other body part that's not her eyes. When you do that, not only is it gonna show her that you're interested in her, like genuinely interested, it's also gonna show her that you're not like every other dude that just wants to bet her. And in her mind, it's gonna be so refreshing. She's gonna obsess over it, because she knows she can't find that type of dude anywhere else. Number 6, bedhead. This is the type of hairstyle where it's just a little rugged, a little bit messy, and it looks like you just woke up. You look tired, your eyes are still chinky. This type of style, women love. I'm telling you right now, because it just looks like you didn't put a lot of effort. You look good without forcing it. And women, they find that irresistible, because in their eyes, they love to play with guys' head, and especially when she's making out with you, I'm telling you, if she really loves you, she's gonna mess that thing up, and that's what she's thinking about. Number 7, ignoring her. You heard me right. We sound like high schoolers at this point, but women don't change. When you give women too much attention, she's gonna stop caring. Guaranteed. For whatever reason, when people see that you're too invested into something, they know they got you at this point. So they lose interest. There's no winning, there's no competition, there's no luster anymore. But when you make yourself busy, you don't text her every day. You text her sporadically. You don't text her every single minute. You're not like a little puppy behind her. She's gonna then take that role and seek for your attention. Number 8, wearing beanies. It seems like it's a freaking trend on TikTok, and I know because your boy's on TikTok, and I just threw that in there so you'd follow your boy right here. Yes, I'm on TikTok, boys, and I'm throwing these little snippets on a daily, which you're not gonna want to miss in your feed. More important than that is the beanie trend. Girls are loving guys in beanies, and especially now that it's winter, it's a headwear option that you should definitely gravitate to if it suits your head shape. Number 9, having a clean room and a bathroom. This simple move right here will impress any girl, guaranteed. You know why? Because, well, go look at your room and look in your bathroom. You're a slob. I know it. You don't even got to tell me, because I know it, because I'm the same way. We leave piles of clothes everywhere. We don't lift the toilet seat when we pee. That's just who we are. We're freaking men. But guess what? Women don't want just that. Women want a guy that's clean, especially in the early stages. This is going to make her obsess over you, because, again, you're going to seem like a guy that she'll never be able to find out there. You're going to be unique. And then finally, number 10, genuinely compliment her. Women are tired of the, hey, beautiful, and did you come from heaven? See, those freaking lines, they're played out. And when you just compliment her on her beauty, you're not really giving her a genuine compliment. She didn't work for that. That's just who she is. But when you do something like, I just genuinely love talking to you, like we always have interesting conversations, those genuine compliments stick in her head and actually make her feel good. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, don't forget to follow your boy on TikTok. And of course, like I said, don't forget to check out Manscaped, boys. Your boy is part owner now, so help your brother out. Go ahead and click the link down below. That's it for me today. See you next time.